like for example, when you're blocking, if you overextend and the blade is away from your leg, that leg is vulnerable. The sword will go and chop your leg off. Okay? So it's a lightsaber, so yeah, it'll chop your leg off. Okay? So it looks good, but it looks stupid to people who understand these things. Okay? So don't overextend.
Tapos for those na feeling nila na the saber is pang may tendency tumama sa floor, especially pag naka-combat stance kayo, just imagine na yung either your arms is always nasa chest level area. So pag nag-i-spin kayo,
Oh, that's a good one. Thank you.
pag nag-i-spin kayo, parang pinaka-grip nyo is nasa dibdib nyo. Automatic yan, ma-avoid sa sa floor.
Chick.
So kahit
Thank you.
Chick.
naka-kanya ka sa gansit. Next meron kang supply sa fire or change.
Nabs, you have change.